So you were saying TikTok Shop
TikTok
is where you found me, but before you found me, you said you found some product that you bought.
Oh, right. Just scrolling, and I thought, you know what, I need something. So I tried it a few times, but then I found you, and then I was like, forget it. I'm not even going to use that.
Gotcha. I feel like that's one of the biggest problems out there, and that's the problem with the beauty industry as a whole, is they're like, here's a bunch of products. You put this in your hair, it's going to do this. But nobody's coming to your house to teach you how to use it. And I think that's one of the biggest disconnects between product companies and the consumer. There's not any real education on how to use their specific product. You said it's been your whole life that you haven't been able to find somebody who could cut your hair right.
Yeah, I'll call salons and everybody will be like, yeah, we can cut curly hair. I go in there, they wash my hair, and then they
wet it down first.
They wet it, and then they do a haircut, and then they don't style it. They just kind of whatever.
Just know that today is the rest day of your curly hair life.
Great.
And I promise you, if you stay with it on what I'm going to show you to do, what not to do, how to do it, you will start to see, even when you do nothing, you will start to see major changes in your hair. I don't like to post the big, crazy transformation, because I don't like to do all the things that you can't do on your own. So I'm going to show you something simple, something that you can actually be like, I can do that. As far as the haircut goes, I want to manage expectations. A lot of people come in here in their first time thinking, cool, he's going to fix my hair completely. I'm going to give you a cut on the hair that you have at the moment. But I always say, what's more important? If your hair is really, really healthy and you have a bad cut, everybody's still going to be like, oh my gosh, your curls are so awesome, regardless of the bad cut. It might not be the length or the shape that you want, but it's still going to look good. Whereas I could give you the best haircut in the world on this hair, but if you don't know how to style it, or it's unhealthy, or both, nobody's going to know it's a good cut. So what's the most important thing? The health. There's a lot of things that I won't do to curly hair in general because it would make it worse. So I'm obviously not going to do any of those things. But today we're going to kind of figure out what you're okay with, what you're not okay with. We're going to keep in mind that you're nervous and that this is your first time and that you're not exactly sure. It's my first time with your hair too, so I don't know exactly how it's going to respond to the way that I want you to be doing things for the rest of your life.
Yeah. I saw a post of a girl that I liked the way you did her hair. I could show you it.
Let's grab that.
I love that cut. I don't know if my hair would do that, but...
So that's Maharat. I've been with her since she was 16.
Oh my gosh.
Her hair is insanely healthy.
Right.
Because she's been on it. Can we get you there? Absolutely. Is that going to happen today?
No.
We'll find out. You're not blow drying it straight. Are you putting any straight up oils in it? Like coconut oil or anything like that? Good. Are you sleeping with it wet?
Yeah.
Okay. So I got to get you to stop sleeping with it wet too.
I do. One thing that I know that you're not going to like is that I wash it every day. Oof. The reason why I wash it every day is because of what I do for work. As soon as I get into the shower, I just want to wet my hair down and wash it.
So I have no problem with you wetting it down. Water is our friend as long as we're not drowning in it, right?
Right.
And there is such a thing as too much saturation in water and stuff like that. But you rinsing it out for that reason, there's no problem. The problem is the too often of shampooing. And you'll be surprised at what you can get your scalp and your hair to feel like without any shampoo. You get in there, nice hot water, go nuts.
Yeah.
Do what feels good in there, but go through your scalp and your hair as if you were shampooing it, but just use that hot water.
Yeah.
And it's gonna remove almost as much as it would of that shampoo. That shampoo just kind of gives it that extra push. It kind of breaks up the oils and stuff, which is the problem in using it too much. Even with my favorite line, if you use that shampoo every day, it's going to dry you right out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.